There's so many new organization products out at Dollar Tree right now. I can't wait to show you, so let's go. We've been doing a lot of organization videos, and one of the biggest requests I've gotten in the comments is to do craft room organization. So here's a craft room organization idea using Dollar Tree planters. For this craft room storage, I'm gonna be using these small 3-tiered planters. They also have the larger ones, but I think these are gonna be too big for me, but they may work for you. You're also going to need a planter base. All of these you can pick up at Dollar Tree. I'm not gonna glue anything together. I'm just gonna start by stacking them up just like you would if you were putting plants in there. Just make sure that they're all locked in place. Over here, I have several craft room storage ideas from Dollar Tree. Now, this was something I made probably a year ago. Dollar Tree had out these little containers. I just wrapped it with some leather and I put just odds and ends. Mostly my paintbrushes are in there and different tools. This was a craft room storage idea I recently created by taking a Dollar Tree bin. I flipped it upside down and then I just put all of my scissors in here. This is working out great. I definitely think that's a good idea. This is just more paintbrushes I have. This is just more paintbrushes I have. I think this is an IKEA planter, but you could find something similar at Dollar Tree. And then I also made this. This is another Dollar Tree DIY where I put 5 glass containers from Dollar Tree. I E6000'd them together to put my markers in. Now, while these items are very organized, I feel like this gets a little disorganized and I have trouble finding things. So I'm gonna try to use this organizer to organize some of the items in my toolbox. I'm going through my toolbox and looking for items that I use frequently that I can display on this planter craft storage, just so I can easily grab the items I need. I didn't even know that I had 3 scrapers. I love that I'm able to see everything. I also love that this base has wheels on it, so I can move it around and see what I need to get out. I just spotted an organizer over here in the makeup section. This is a makeup brush with suction cup holder. It comes in black, there's a purple and a pink. Let's get it, try it out and see if it works. All right, let's test it out. I'm gonna put this on my bathroom mirror and see if it'll hold my makeup brushes. So far, it seems to be holding up pretty well on my mirror. I will say you kind of have to have the right size brushes. Some of my brushes were a little thinner, so they didn't fit on there. So it may not work with all of your makeup brushes. Have you seen these new pencil holders? They're over here in the office supply section. They come in 3 different colors. Now you can use them to hold pencils or markers, but they're also great to organize in your bathroom. I thought this container would be great to organize all of my lipsticks and lip products. The candy jars that are over here in the party section are always really hard to find, but if you can pick them up, you can use them for more than just storing candy. These containers are also great to store your dishwashing pods or your laundry pods. Just put them in here, and then whenever you need to use one, you can pull it out. They look so cute underneath my sink. You can organize your pantry with Dollar Tree trash cans. I'm gonna use these trash cans to store my rags and my plastic sack. So to do that, I'm gonna use my X-Acto knife. I'll cut a hole at the bottom of both of the trash cans. Then using some command strips, I'll hang them on the wall. Then you can just put in your rags and your plastic bags, and anytime you need one, just pull it out of the bottom. Have you ever thought about using these acrylic picture frames to organize in your closet? I have a great hack for you. I'm gonna be using 2 different sizes of 8x10 frames. I'll pull out the existing paper that's inside, and I'm gonna put in some fun scrapbook paper that I had in my craft room. I'll just cut it down to size and slide it in. Then on the front, I'm going to add some command hooks. Now on this larger one, I want to organize sunglasses. I'm gonna be using some larger clear command hooks. And then on my smaller one, I'll use smaller clear command hooks so I can organize my jewelry. These look great displayed in your closet or your bathroom area.
If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is organization. There's a new item alert over in the organization section. These collapsible baskets are so cool. I can't wait to pick them up. They come in white. They also come in gray, and you can get a blue. Check out these new rose gold organizers. Let me show you how to use them in your house.
So this bin is really easy to open. You just pull it up like this, and then you're gonna press on the sides to hold it in place. It also has handles. I haven't seen anything like this at Dollar Tree before for just $1.25. Now you could keep this in your car as a collapsible bin, and it's not gonna take up much room. I wanna use this as an office bin where I can pull it out and have the supplies that I need. I picked this rose gold item up in the office supply section at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna zip tie it right here. This is going to hold my pins on it, and then I can put my papers in the basket.
Want to save even more money on your acrylic drawer organizers? Come over to the party section and pick up one of these. You actually get 3 different organizers in one for $1.25.
I'll use these acrylic organizers to organize here in this snack drawer. I'll just place them down, and they work as perfect dividers to divide out all of your snacks.
Let me show you how to organize your toothbrushes. Pick up one of these $1.25 silverware organizers.
You can use this to divide up all of your toothbrushes in the bathroom. On my label maker, I just printed out labels for everyone in the family, place them down at the bottom. You can put your toothbrushes in each of the slots, and then your toothpaste goes up top.
One of my favorite organizers is back. These card trash cans are perfect, and it looks like they have new colors this year. They fit perfectly in your cup holder, and they're great for just that small trash you have, and then you can empty it out whenever you stop. Have you ever tried these sunglass clip holders? They work great to store your sunglasses in your car. Another comment I usually get in my videos is it's hard to find some of these organization items that I show you in the store, and I get it. Sometimes we struggle to find the items we're looking for, but these Dollar Tree paper towel organizers are usually in the kitchen section. I have a great hack for you.
Using 2 small command hooks, I'm going to hook them onto my paper towel holder, and then I'll place it on the wall by the toilet in my bathroom. Then you can just put on extra rolls of toilet paper.
Let me show you a quick hack to organize your earrings using these ice cube trays.
Ice cube trays make the best earring storage. They're small enough for your earrings, it keeps it all divided, and you can easily find what you're looking for.
If you're gonna be traveling, pick up one of these folding sunglass cases.
I like using these hard shell sunglass cases to organize charging cables. I'll just kind of roll it up like this, and then I'll put it into one of these hard shell cases. You can throw it into your purse, or if you're traveling, it's great to just throw in your travel bag.
Dollar Tree has out a new dish drying rack for just $1.25 that you can put at the bottom of your sink to protect your dishes. I'm always on the lookout for new cleaners when I'm shopping at Dollar Tree. Now, I found this bathroom cleaner. It has the concentrate. I'm thinking this one's new. Let's try it out.
It comes with 2 refillable pods, and it did a great job cleaning my bathroom vanity.
pick up a $1.25 tackle box to organize around your house.
I love how useful these are. In our last Dollar Tree organization video, I showed you how you could use this to create a charcuterie board snack with items you have in your fridge. You could also use it to store your batteries.
If your gift bags are all over the place, here's a solution to help you get organized.
I like to organize all of my gift bags by size, and then I'll just place them in the book bins.
Let me know down in the comments which of these organization products you're going to be picking up for your home, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.